Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some fried fish fillet, and of course here's my little fish, right? It's hake fish, right? Hake fish. So yeah, 5 pieces come into this little container, and here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using. Yes, of course. So for seasoning, I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, or you can use fish seasoning. I added 1 tablespoon onion granules, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. And here I'm going in with some, what do you call that again? Black pepper. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here I have my little fishies, and of course I wash them off, rinse them off, and I pat them dry with what do you call that? Paper towel. So now I'm just gonna rub the seasoning on them, right? So do front and back and get them everywhere. By the way, Vibes Fam, it is very important for you to know your seasoning. My seasoning, it has in salt, so I will not be using any salt. But if yours is salt free, add salt if you wish, right? So here it is, all done. And then now I'm gonna season the flour. So the same seasoning, I'm pouring some of it into the flour and give that a mix. So I'm not going to be using any egg in this recipe. I like it just fine with just dipping the fish in the flour, coat it in the flour, rub it all over it. But if you want to, you can definitely crack an egg or two, add some of the seasoning in it, right, that you use to season the fish, and then dip the fish in it and then dip it into the seasoned flour, right? But yes, as I said, I'm not using any egg in this recipe. I like it this way. Egg would be fine. So yeah, I'm just coating the fish in the flour, into the nice seasoned flour. And Vibes Fam, it helps a lot if you season everything that you dip your food in. So here it is, all done. Now we're going to dip it into some hot oil. We're going to fry them. So these are boneless. They don't take long to fry. Once you do about 4 or 5 minutes on each side, get them golden brown or to the desired color that you want, and then flip them over and do the same for the other side, right? Boneless, this is so delicious. It tastes so good, right? So yeah, go ahead and turn them over. And then when you take them out, you can put them on just a regular rack, or you can have like a paper towel and rest them on the paper towel. But yeah, here they are. Now they're all done, and I'm gonna take them out. So I'll be just putting them on a tray, and it's still going to drain. But normally I like to kind of shake them a little bit, drain them a little bit before I put to drain off the oil, right? Before I put them on the tray. So yeah, on the rack. So here they are, looking so scrumdiddlyumptious, looking so good. Yeah, them say nice brown caramel skin, ready, like Freddy. So yeah, take them out, and then of course I'm going to fry the others. So by the way, 5 come in the packet, but I have 6. So turn them. So yeah, I have 6 because I had an extra one from before. So I just added it to it, right? But yeah, vibes, so I'm just go ahead and take them out. And I'm telling you, this is just absolutely delicious and just simple and very fast. I mean, dinner is done in no time, just no time. And vibes fam, here we have it. This delicious fried fish fillet. When I tells you that this is just so good, and I mean dinner just quick. So it's frozen, it come frozen. Once you get it in the supermarket, it is frozen. So you defrost it, right? You rinse them off and then you squeeze them to get the water out, and then of course you pat them dry and you go ahead and you just fry them up real quick. I'm telling you, dinner is ready in absolutely positively no time. So any fish fillet that you can grab it up and go ahead and fry it up. I'm telling you, so good, so nice like sugar and spice. But thank you so much for watching, vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, of course. Please share and tell everybody now, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.